Our instrumentation for looking at other objects in our solar system is getting pretty sophisticated. But when looking into the cosmos at things like the moon, you'll notice something. Even the best telescopes can't penetrate the darkness of those deep craters. And those dark craters could be important, because if they're dark, that means they're colder than the rest of the surface, meaning frozen water could be hiding just out of sight. But perhaps not for long. Researchers at the Max Planck Institute for Solar System Research in Germany have developed an AI algorithm, which they say could use reflected light that bounces off nearby objects to provide an image of what exactly is inside these shadowed craters. They're calling the program Hyper-Effective Noise Removal Unit Software, or HORUS for short. And this is what a standard Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter photo of a moon crater typically looks like, and this is what they get after HORUS crunches the data. They haven't detected any water in any of the craters they've looked at just yet, but HORUS is about more than just finding H2O. It's also helping experts better assert terrain, helping them suss out the best places to land on the next moon mission.